November Alpha, line up and wait, runway 07 intersection Delta, caution jet blast.
07 intersection Delta, 6 November Alpha.
W2427 arrive 01, vacate via Bravo, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
Bravo, and contact ground 217, W2427.
November Alpha, airborne 02, contact thanks to radar 120.8. Two taxi Alpha, hold short runway 07, contact thanks to tower 118.75.
Alpha to 07, over to tower, good day, Southwest 293. Tower Southwest 293, radius 7.
293, thanks to tower, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 040 degrees, 14 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, Southwest 293.
Flight 125, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 10 knots.
07, runway 25.
Southwest 293, airborne 10, contact thanks to radar 120.8, good day.
0 decimal and enjoy the weekend, so long, Southwest 293.
Flight 125, clear to land, runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 13 knots.
07, flight 125.
Flight 125, arrive 19er, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
Off at Bravo 21.7 for under flight 125, good day. Yes, Highway, good morning, Copa 147, we are ready for departure.
Copa 147, thanks to tower, confirm ready for departure.
We are ready for departure, Copa 147.
Copa 147, roger, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, Copa 147.
Copa 147, airborne 24, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
Malay Santa Rita, Copa 147, so long. Tower JetBlue 279 is turning inbound RP runway 7.
2279er Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 040 degrees, 12 knots.
New approach, JetBlue 279.
American 863 Sangster Tower.
63, we are ready.
American 863, roger, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 040 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, American 863.
Okay, 1805 is ready.
805 Sangster Tower, hold short runway 07.
Short 07, reach 1805.
2279er, cleared to land, runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 14 knots.
Clear to land 07, JetBlue 279.
American 863, airborne 32, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
0.8 for American 863, good day.
1801, Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 12 knots. Number 2, landing sequence, number 1, quick short final, runway 07. Traffic, Cessna 206, 6 miles west of station, indicating 1,300 feet, will be north and clear of the approach path.
Delta 1801, copy, we'll continue and we have that 206 traffic type. For 5 miles northward, 07.
Thank you, Juliet, November Alpha, Sangster Tower. Continue left base, runway 07. Wind 050 degrees, 15 knots. Number 2, landing sequence. Number 1, traffic, Boeing 737. 6 mile final, runway 07, indicating 2,000 feet.
Base runway 07, number 2 sequence, and we have the traffic inside, 600 about.
Roger, maintain visual and own separation. JetBlue 279er, arrive 33, vacate via Bravo, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
1.7, thanks, JetBlue 279.
1801, clear to land runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 12 knots.
Delta 1801, clear to land runway 7.
November Alpha, proceed 1 mile final runway 07.
Final runway 07, 6 November Alpha.
The 1801, arrive 37, vacate via Bravo, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
Bravo, ground 121.7, like 1.
Land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots.
Runway 07, up to the wind 6 November Alpha.
November Alpha, arrive 38, vacate via taxiway Delta, cross Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground 121.7.
Delta cross Alpha to the ramp and monitor ground 121.7, 6 November Alpha.
Rouge 1805, thanks to tower, confirm ready for departure.
Rouge 1805.
05, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, Rouge 1805.
Rouge 1805, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 14 knots.
07, Rouge 1805.
American 3234, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Approach runway 7, American 3234.
Clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
Clear to land runway 07, American 3234.
1805, airborne 40, contact thanks to radar 120.8, good day.
20.8, Rouge 1805, good day.
Southwest 907, thanks to tower, confirm ready for departure.
07. 07 is ready for departure.
Southwest 907, behind landing Airbus 321, short final, line up and wait behind runway 07.
07 behind landing traffic, Southwest 907.
American 3234, arrive 45, vacate via Bravo, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
Bravo 121.7, American 3234, good day.
Southwest 907, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Golf 07, Southwest 907.
November 680 Juliet Sierra, cleared to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Cleared to land, runway 07, 680 Juliet Sierra.
West 907, airborne 47, contact Sanctor radar 120.8, good day.
Switch into Sanctuary, have a good one, southwest, 907.
American 1337, Sanctor Tower, confirm ready for departure.
Yeah, we're ready for departure, American 1337.
337, roger, hold short, runway 07.
07, American 1337.
One 337, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up wait 07, American 1337.
Yankee Juliet November Alpha airborne 50, contact Sanctor radar 120.8, good day.
120.8, 6 November Alpha.
One 337, airborne 52, contact Sanctor radar 120.8, good day.
0.8, American 1337, we'll see you. Taxi.
1628, taxi for 133, hold short runway 07, contact Sanctor Tower 118.75.
Alpha, hold short of 7, 118.75, United, 1628.
Publica 7478, Sanctor Tower, cleared to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
To land runway 07, Replica 7478.